Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys all of my fidgets in this big decorated bucket. And I literally just got this yesterday and I decorated it because, why not? So I'm just going to be picking out random things in this bucket and then showing you them. And guys, I have a lot of fidgets. Guys, please subscribe because I only have 17 subscribers and I want a lot of subscribers. Okay. So some didn't fit, so we're just going to show those ones. Okay. First is this. Hold on. I'm going to take the top off of this. So I can put the puppet right. Okay. So this is a dark pink magenta heart puppet, and I really like it. I got it for Christmas. Yeah. Here's the pops. I'm gonna pop the bad side and then do the good side. Okay, now it's time to do the good side. Okay. So that's that first one. Okay. Next is this snowman. It is a glittery snowman. Somehow there's green glitter on it. Right there's green glitter. But I don't know how. But it's really cute. I got it for my birthday from my best friend Kinsley. Okay, let me do the bad side real quick. And also, guys, I need a lot of views, so please tell your friends to watch my YouTube channel, tell your family, subscribe on every single electronic you have in your house, please, because I need subscribers. What was I? Okay. My last fidget video, I showed some of my fidgets, but this time I'm showing all of my fidgets. That got a lot of views, so I want this one to get even more views. Let's try to get it to 10K views, okay? Okay, this is the good side. It's pretty good. I really like it, though, because I have another one that she got me, but it is an ornament, and it's in this bucket somewhere. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's on my bed. Okay. I have a jumbo poppet, but it's on my bike. I don't know why. I just put it on my bike for a decoration. Okay, then I have two mochis. So one is a strawberry. It's so cute. And then a cherry. Guys, I got this from Five Below, and it came in a bucket of fruit mochis. I gave some to Audrey. You remember? Have you guys watched the video where I did with Audrey? Wait, did I post it? I don't know if I posted it. I probably did. I don't know. But actually, yeah, I did. But yeah, it's really, really cool. Okay, now let's just, I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to get this one. Okay, so this is a Orbeez stress ball. I don't know if it's an eggplant or plum. I'm pretty sure it's a plum. It's so satisfying. There was one black Orbeez, so if you see little black spots in there, that's because my aunt broke the black Orbeez and there's black spots in it now. So it looks like seeds. But yeah. It's really satisfying. I personally love Ruby stress balls. Okay, next one. I'm going to pick over here. Okay, so we got a mini green Neato. I love Neatos, actually. Yeah, I love Neatos. Guys, if this video faces the wrong way, I'm so sorry. Sometimes it just does that for no reason. I don't know why. But this is really cool. Comment. Never mind. Okay. Next, we have this red pop tube. Ready? Okay. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys. So now let's pick. Hold on, guys. Okay. Sorry about that. Now let's. Hold on. Now let's pick another one. By the way, I love all of these fidgets. I might make a video where my dad or my mom or my brother, I don't know if my brother, guesses what my fidgets are called. But yeah. Okay. Now let's grab one again. Let me get this one. I love this fidget. Okay, this is a fidget spinner, like thing, one of those like big ones. I forgot what they're called. Triple dimple? Yeah, triple dimple. But it's a mini one and it's a fidget spinner. Okay, ready? Watch. And then let's pop it. Okay, let's try that again. At least I landed in the right spot. Yeah. Okay, there was hair on my mochi. Okay, now let's just pick another one. Sorry, guys. Okay, so, okay, hold on. So, I'm gonna find a, wait, hold on, guys. I need to fix this real quick. So, hold on. Okay, guys, I fixed it. So, this is a DNA ball, a regular DNA ball. It has no air. I used to have one that had air, but it actually broke. And all the beads were like falling out. But yeah. Okay. So it has yellow, pink, blue, purple, and orange things. Okay. I want to show you guys this one. Okay, so I have one of this fell because one of the pops fell off. Not fell. They falled off. They didn't fall. They broke off because my dog actually got into my fidget bag. I used to have a fidget bag, which is over there. But when she got in my fidget bag when I was at my Nana and Pop's, and when I was outside in my backyard, she got into my bag and ripped this one out. So yeah, I don't know where that one went. But this is a planet dimple. This is a very cool dimple, guys. Watch. Okay, so it says the names. So this one is, the blue one is Uranus. That's the face. And then the purple one is Neptune. This one is Mercury. This is Venus. This is Earth and Moon. And then this is the Sun. Oh wait, I forgot this one. This is Mars. And this is Saturn. Yeah, wait. No, this is Jupiter. This one is Saturn, the one that broke off. Okay, next one. So next one is a tingle. You can take the pieces off and make it a bracelet. Hold on. There's some more. But the cool thing is, when you rip it off, you can put it back together. Isn't that cool? There's blue, pink, and green. Easter colors. And where did I get this? I got this from like a fest thing. Like, I don't know what it was called. Okay. What should I do? Okay, I want to do this one. So next is this octopus puppet. Put the octopus first. So as you can see, it's blue like that. But then it's tie-dye. Pink, white, and blue. It's so pretty. Pop these ones. This is my only one because I got this for Christmas. Okay, now it's sad. As you can see, it's sad. Okay, let's pop it. But then this one is like, woo! It's like, oh, like confused. Or surprised. Okay, next I have a snapper. And did you guys know if it is stuck like this, then you turn it around and go like that? I love doing that because it makes loud noises. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, next is this. There's going to be a part 2 of this. Next is this Ryan's World squishy. I had this a long time ago because I really liked Ryan's World. As you can see, it got teared up, but yeah. It's like a volleyball. Okay. Next, I have this squishy. So this squishy I painted because it was a like set where you had like a cupcake, a donut, a cake, and an ice cream, and you had to paint them, and they were squishies. So I painted this one. I gave my other ones to friends for their birthday because they were BFF ones. So these are all the fidgets that we've gone through so far. The puppy looks really long, but literally it's short, but it looks really long. Especially when it's like this, it looks really long. See, when it's like that. Okay, octopus. my favorite. Out of my whole entire fidget collection, this is probably my favorite. Next, I got this maze. I got this in a fidget pack, so this is a fidget. It's a maze. You gotta get the silver ball to the next level. It's really hard because the ball gets stuck in the middle, so it's really hard to solve. Next, I have this jumbo wacky track. Next, I have a mini pop tube. Look, guys. I have fingernails, long fingernails. And pull it. Can make it a bracelet. I don't really like pop tubes because they hurt my eardrums really bad. Okay. Next, I have this blue Orbeez stress ball. It's not a fruit. It's just a regular Orbeez stress ball. It's very cool. And my favorite color is blue. It might not look like it, but it is. That's why I have quite a few blue fidgets. And I have more blue fidgets. Next, I have this unicorn mochi. I got this in a fidget pack as well. Some of my mochis are dirty. I don't know how. Probably because when they were on the floor, because when I play with them and they're on the floor, maybe it gets dirty out. Yeah. So I got a unicorn, a frog, a polar bear, a seal. This is like my favorite mochi. In the unicorn. A hippopotamus. We're going to start doing this fast now. A pea popper. Let me show you guys the face. The face kind of came off. It's staying, guys. Like, watch, look. It's literally staying. I'm not even pushing it. Okay. Now it's not. Okay. This was the one I was talking about. A ornament puppet. And you can actually hang it on your tree. And it's really cool. Next, I got this Snoopy one with a little chick. And it had the American flags. This is my only square puppet. I love doing this. Just skipping them. Very rubbery. I got this from a dollar store. And it's not quite bad. Next, I have this snake. I have a snake. It's red and blue. I used to have not red and blue. Red and white. I used to have a green and white one, but that one broke somehow. I was just playing with it one day, and then all the pieces were falling apart. I got this, I don't know where. A fidget pack, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. but it's really, really cool. I love how it looks like it's like a lightsaber, but it breaks. And you can also make some cool shapes, like a W, not really a W, but I mean, you can make a rectangle, like, you can make a rectangle, I guess. And you can make a homemade snapper. A fidget out of a fidget. I don't know. Next, I have tons of monkey noodles. Got a unicorn, dinosaur, textured, regular. I got so many of these. Got another unicorn, textured unicorn. I love the textured unicorn. Got the textured monkey noodles. Got more textured, regular, dinosaur, regular, wacky track. Oh, I already showed you guys this. We got a stress ball. Got a homemade stress ball. Got a squishy, num num squishy. Got a pop it. Got pop tube. We got another Pop-It, clear shimmery Pop-It. Got a ladybug. Got a tie-dye rainbow. Got a... Sorry guys if I dumped some stuff out. That's because there's kinetic sand in it because my friend accidentally spilt some kinetic sand in my fidget bucket. We got a rainbow. Got a squishy dinosaur. Very cool. We got a fidget spinner. Got a star Pop-It. More monkey noodles. A avocado Pop-It. I really like this one. We got a spike ball. A homemade tangle. These are the fidgets that we've gone through, guys. We got a marble mesh. Got a slinky, butterfly slinky. A money fidget spinner that is broken. Got a pop tube. Actually, there's not kinetic sand in it. There's just like dirt stuff. But my friend did spill kinetic sand and we cleaned it up though. We washed my fidgets. We got this one, flower one. Got some monkey noodles, a dinosaur, unicorn, another dinosaur monkey noodle, another marble mesh, a unicorn stress ball, a poppet with a poppet bag with a candy cane poppet, a mini poppet, two bean poppets. Tricky, huh? We got a acupressure ring, a tie-dye butterfly poppet, a bracelet, purple bracelet poppet, a mini poppet, a bike chain. This is a jumbo bike chain, a pop tube, a pug squishy, a corgi squishy that I got from a blind bag, a Christmas tree poppet, another spike ball, and a Santa Claus mochi, we have a squirrel, a dinosaur, a panda, a dinosaur head, a hedgehog, banana, candy, frog, lazy cat, Christmas tree, a starfish, the sun, a chick, another porcupine this time, a fidget pad, a mini purple pop tube, a time watcher, a slinky, mini fidget spinner, ice cream squishy, a homemade thing, I don't know what it's called. Just a homemade like fidget that you can like move around. Two more spike balls. A shark mochi. And another panda mochi. A smiley face slinky. Another wacky track, a fidget cube, Among Us jumbo poppet. We have one more fidget, guys, and then my actually this is my favorite, a keyboard poppet. How cool is this guy? But that is all for today's video. Bye!